Hello guys, welcome to from Tech, and today we have the Realme GT 60 with us, and we'll be taking a look at the amount of bloatwares that come by default on this phone, and we'll be checking if we can disable it or uninstall it. So now the first bloatware you can see is the global search. When you swipe up from the home screen, as you can see, this global search thing comes up with ads and bloatware. So that counts the bloatware count to 1. The second bloatware is app market and Amazon. App market can be disabled, but from the settings, as you can see. So I'd recommend you guys to disable it. The next bloat is clone app, and you can disable it. The fourth one is community. Community is kind of a bloat because for those, most people won't use that app, so it's a kind of bloatware. You can install it if you don't want it. The next bloat is financial pay, so the count of bloat increases to 6. The next is game center, which is a huge bloat. As you can see, it shows us random games and stuff. So another privacy risk is the internet app. The internet app is a bloatware that is not really needed when Chrome comes by default on this phone. So the next bloat is messages app. Why do we need two messages app that are system apps? As you can see, you cannot disable the Google messages and the Realme messages, so we only need one, so that's another bloat. Another bloat is Myntra app. You can uninstall it. This is also a bloat because, as you can see, if we read this privacy policy, it takes many kinds of data from the user, so it's also another kind of bloat which is unnecessary. Since we have Play Protect, we do not need that Realme security app which is aimed to take the user data. And the another bloat that's pre-installed is Snapchat. Snapchat can be uninstalled, but so many people use it, so it's mostly bloat for me, but for those who use it, it is not. There's also Realme Store that can be uninstalled, and Videos app is also useful. So compared to other Realme phones, this phone has less bloat because it's a flagship segment phone of Realme. And that's all from me today, and I'll be releasing a guide on how to uninstall this via ADB. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys next time.